What's up, guys? Andrew Briscoe here with Keller Williams, and today I'm really excited about the topic I'm going to be talking about, which is the 2021 housing market and if it's going to crash or not. Now, I'm going to cover this in a few different videos to cover some of the main things that are affecting the housing market, lumber prices, interest rates, and everything in between. So the first thing I'm going to be talking about is lumber prices. If you have tried to build a house or do upgrades to your home or just buy lumber for any reason, you've probably seen how crazy the prices are. There's even memes about it all over the internet. So I'm going to give you some insight as to why the prices have gotten so high and how that's affecting the rest of the market. So reason number one is that wood prices fluctuate a lot more and more easily than other goods. The reason for this is that home building supply and demand can change much more quickly than how quickly sawmills can catch up to that to produce more wood. The reason for that is that sawmills, it takes about 2 years to build a new sawmill and get it up and running, and the supply and demand of home builders building new homes just moves much quicker than that. Reason number two is that during the pandemic, there was a huge influx of people staying at home, having more free time on their hands, and this caused people to start doing more upgrades to their homes, building decks, even she sheds, and this caused a huge influx for the supply and consumption of wood products. Reason number three is that also during the pandemic, there was a huge disruption in blue-collar jobs from people being sick and the unemployment rate going up, and there's also a massive shortage in truck drivers, which plays a huge role in getting the lumber from the forest to the sawmills to be processed. Now, there are tons of factors that have affected this, but those are the three main things that are affecting the lumber prices, and it really mostly comes down to them all playing into supply and demand. The supply just simply can't keep up with the demand from the low interest rates, causing more builders to build more homes and more people refinancing, staying at home, and upgrading their homes, doing projects, and using more lumber. So the question is, when are lumber prices gonna get back down to normal and stabilize a little? Now, from all the research that I've done and most analysts that are kind of looking at this market we're in, they're saying that it's mostly being affected because of the low interest rates that's affecting the supply and demand being offset. Now, the feds are keeping the interest rates pretty low all the way till about 2023 is what they've said. This doesn't mean they're not going to go up at all, but they're going to try to keep them low to spark more growth in the economy coming out of this pandemic we had. So most likely, once the interest rates start going up a little bit and the supply and demand stabilize, the lumber prices will most likely start going down. So anyway, guys, I hope that cleared up some of the kind of missing pieces from this topic that's being talked about of why these lumber prices have gotten so high. It doesn't matter what lumber prices are. It doesn't matter what your parents say about you. You can build a house. You can buy a house. You can do anything you want. All it takes is financial fraud. And you can... No, totally joking. You really can buy a house. And again, if you have any other questions about buying a home, selling a home, or investing in real estate, I would love to answer those questions for you. Just shoot me a DM, reach out, and I'd be glad to help.